Hello everybody. Hey, I've just finished my toucans for the third time. My goodness. Here it is. Here's the first version from the Cheeky Birds and Silly Verse calendar from 2 years ago with Brian Sibley writing the verse. Here it is from last year, remake number 2. And now I've remade it for the third time. So why do I have to keep making this piece? I think, let's analyse it for a moment. I think it's really jolly and we all need cheering up at the moment. So I think that helps. It's really important that the birds are all the same but different, which gives it more variation. If they were all the same, I don't think it would be as good. The perspective with them getting smaller as they go off into the distance, I think helps a lot. And although they're all the same but different, if we take a ruler and look at their eyes, you'll see, hang on a minute, there we are, you'll see that their eyes line up totally. So although this can all vary around here, the line of eyes is spot on. And you might not analyse that consciously, but I think subconsciously it's why it works. The leaves are all pointing upwards, telling us where to look, the toucans of course. And then I really like making a canopy. I've done that many times before, the foxes for example. And I'm really good now at making tiny milliflori, which we can then fuse in this case for berries. So there we are, it's a lovely piece I think, so I can see why people keep wanting it. Somebody asked what they're singing, and I think that they're singing a version of Tea for Two, which goes like this. Tea for toucans and toucans for tea, me for you and you for me, and can't you see how happy we will be?